Prince Yao Opoku. He has to prove the worth. Prince Owusu. Eugene, Chief of Staff, Aman, the needed support. So commentaries and then has to cease. If really we are going to fun, not all respect the Menchia Palace. Any official our Bekasa within the doors of Menchia Palace has to be respected. Into the Esra Kotoko supporters front, any supporter at Kotoko. Earlier on, not only team Dimu GDA, only coach Dimu GDA. All quality for the sack of the coach. Eugene, please, with this 30 matches to go, yes, easy fire. Okay. Keep calm. Near what he can bring on board. Even though, sir, the confidence I share from coaches, we are not getting it. But again, he is also proving, say, he has publicly declared so but and as a coach, Eugene, obetimiya further deliberations. Obetimi learn on the job. You so many coaches say Eugene, they learned whilst they were on the job. And suddenly to me to be at a point in time or at a given point in time, you bet me a portfolio. If you are now familiar to that portfolio, I don't think sir Oba rejected say because it's not in your line and you go see. And are you boy? As a man, I would say Nipa has to stay occupied. Eugene, I think that you accept the responsibility, learn on the job, and become a better person. It's the prince. Even though say even though say among forces to say you can't do the job, now that there is authorities are more the needed go ahead, it's up to you. Okay. Say over consulting any coach I wouldn't know. I'll bet me a solicit with ideas. And the coach I could see up and wait me a boan pa. Into you, dear Wadaroma. Don't friend him on what I don't buy on what recommendation. Fatu than you said the Edruni. It's you on fat the mother money. Dr. Amuzu, Eddie Amuzu Bites, Abba Gaman so.